Hey guys, it's your girl Khanyi Cakes and I am back with another lit vid. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the Cakes Club, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Khanyi Cakes. If you didn't know, now you know, so subscribe. If you want to see how I achieved this look within 5 minutes, then keep on watching. HerGivenHair has launched a new bye-bye leave-out thin pot wig collection, and these are absolutely stunning, guys. They have invisible tracks, which makes it perfect for you for a natural look. It is beginner friendly, it doesn't look bulky, and it just looks extremely natural without you having to leave your natural hair out. Now that, honey, is a bargain for me. Now let me show you guys how quick and easy it is to install. HerGivenHair sent me this beautiful bye-bye leave-out thin pot wig. I am so excited. I have never seen a wig like this before. This wig is just an easy clip and go. As you can see, these are the clips, and it is perfect for beginners. It is different from a U-pot wig because it doesn't have any visible tracks. As you guys can see, it has an invisible lace, so it blends in very well with your hair, and it also doesn't need any crochet method. You just throw it on and go. Now for a busy girl like me, this wig definitely comes in handy. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna wear it today. As you can see, I have just sleeked my hair back. You can also do some cornrows if you'd like. So I'm just gonna tease the roots of my hair just to give the wig a more natural look. So the wig is finally on, and as you can see, it's already blending very seamlessly. I'm just going to take a spray bottle just to refresh the curls. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this wig. It was so easy to put on. I mean, look at that. It is so nice and easy, especially for my women who don't want to leave their hair out constantly and sometimes just want to put your hair in cornrows but still want to rock a more natural look. I feel like this wig is absolutely perfect for you if that is the case. It is so manageable. You don't have to leave your natural hair out, and that's it. The volume is good. You can't tell me this ain't natural, honey. That's all me. Period. But anyways, thank you so much to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video once again. Look at how clean that pot is. This is literally my scalp, guys. A metal pot with my scalp. Look at that. that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. I am absolutely obsessed with this hair, honey. I mean, would you look at that? Hashtag bye bye to the leave outs and hello to this beautiful and easy throw on and go wig. Okay, honey. But yeah, please make sure to check out the HerGivenHair website. The links will be in the description box down below. Please follow HerGivenHair on all their social media platforms, and please also follow me on my Instagram at Khanyi_cakes, my TikTok at Khanyi.cakes, and lastly, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more lit content. Until next time, you guys, love and light. Peace.